What is up, YouTube? This is Papa G again, bringing you another weekend video. But this time, it won't be any car shows because it's been raining so much in the Carolinas. But what I got for you, I think you'll like. So stick around and come on, let's go. Miss Athena decided to come out and enjoy the weather. She's gonna pop you, Lou. You better quit. Did she get you? Oh, you okay. So what I have for you today is a 2008 white convertible Corvette that my brother bought at the Copart. And then I got the after video of all the great work he did. So stick around for that. I think you'll find it interesting. You're all car people. Come on, let's go. So here we are at the Copart lot, picking the car up after the auction. I just love watching these big equipment pick up these cars and tote them around those lots like they're nothing. He's approaching the trailer. No need for ramps at this point. He just picks it right up and puts it in place for you. And then you strap it down and you take it home. Now the interesting thing is my brother forgets his phone on the bumper. And you see what happened. He pulls away. Luckily, the trailer didn't run over top of it. Now, here's the video when he got it to his house. Gonna do a walk around video, checking it all out. As you can see, there's very little damage to the car anywhere but on the front end. And the front end had some damage to it that had to be replaced and repainted. And as you can see, I'm back in my rocking chair on the porch. You just watched that video of the car arriving on the trailer. Again, it was a 2008. It had 72,000 miles on it. When he finished it up, all total, he said he had $14,000 in it. It was an excellent car. Now you're going to enjoy seeing the finished product. And here we go. Just look at that car now. Everything's redone, repainted. Nice and cleaned up. What a great looking ride. Good little rumble to the engine. Just all in all, a sharp looking car. He made somebody a happy customer that bought this thing and took it home. Absolutely beautiful. I love those white headlights. Now you're going to get a shot of the interior. It looks immaculate. Low miles on this Corvette. Again, 72,000 miles. So there you have it, folks. What a gorgeous looking car. I would love to have it myself, but Papa G don't fit in no Corvette. I'm a little too large. Some of y'all are too. You know who I'm talking about. Get out of them. Beautiful car. I'm sure he made somebody really happy to have it. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little. Come back next Sunday for the next car show video. Hopefully, if the rains go away, looks like they have. It's beautiful here today on Easter Sunday. Hey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.